Okay, so here's my attempt to try to further explain the difference between a subject and a direct object, the nominative and the accusative case. I know I posted a video about it, we've talked about it a couple times in class, but let me give you my sort of favorite example again. So if we took this sentence, Der Hund beißt den Mann, the dog bites the man. It makes sense. We have the dog, he's my subject, he's doing the biting, so we know that he agrees, and the verb is in that second position. The ending is T because it agrees with RCS, the dog. It bites the man. The der this is a masculine noun, and it's in the nominative case. So it's the der die das that we learned from the beginning of the year. So der Hund. Now, who is the dog biting? That's the receiver of the action. The receiver of the action here is the man. The man is the one getting bit. So that der changes to den. We go down to the accusative case, and that der changes to den. It's how we differentiate between the subject and the direct object. But why do we care? Because in German we can reverse the order, and we can say it in the reverse order. Den Mann beißt der Hund. Der Hund is still my subject. He's still the one doing the biting with the sharp teeth. It's still next to the verb, which is in the second position, and the ending still agrees with der Hund. RCS, that T ending. So it's not that the man is biting the dog. That dog is still biting the man. But the word order in German allows us a little bit more flexibility. And the only reason we know that this is not the subject is because that der changed to den. In the worksheet that I gave you guys for today or for yesterday, it basically asked you to change those der words to den if they were the receiver, in other words, the direct object of the sentence. So subjects are going to be der, die, das, die, and then the accusative direct objects are going to be den, die, das, die. The only one that changes is the masculine, der to den. Die is die, das is das, and die is die. So most of the time, you don't have to change anything. And the same rule applies when we're working with indefinite articles, the ein words. So it's the same exact sentence. Ein Hund beißt einen Mann. A dog bites a man. And then this says the same thing. A dog bites a man. The ein word, changes to einen in the accusative direct object. So again, it's just these pesky boys, these masculine ones that changes from der to den and ein to einen. Everything else stays the same. Die, die, eine, das, das, ein, die, keine. You can't really have eine in the plural. You can't have a plural something. The worksheet I gave you just asked you to focus on the der die das's changing to den die das. I will probably, when we come back from April vacation, assign another similar worksheet asking you to change the eins to einens. We're going to put this into practice when we also take a look at plurals, and I might ask you, there will be an activity when we come back from the break where I give you a backpack, a rucksack, and I say, hey, what's in your backpack? And you're going to say things like, I have a ruler, I have 2 calculators. So you're going to show me direct objects, accusative case, and you're also going to show me some plurals. Reach out to me if you guys have any questions. Hope this helped.